What's going on, guys? Alright, so I'm at our meeting spot here. Supposed to meet Ian. Should be showing up any minute now. We're gonna head over to Carrollton, do the little Sonic meet. I'm not sure how many cars are gonna be showing up, but it's something Doug Foxworks does every Thursday, and since I'm off this week, figured at least hit one of these meets up and just chat with the guys. So hopefully it won't get too cold.
Man, good to see you.
Stay here.
I'll be back on the road. Loving it, man. That's Carmen.
This driving.
Love it.
Like, I'm on vacation this week. I gotta get out. I gotta get to Carrollton.
Okay.
Gotta roll with the boys again.
So this is your week off?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready to go? Alright guys, as you can see, car's back home here in the garage, and pushed the car pretty hard last night. Probably made 10 pulls. I didn't pull all the pulls in this video, but I made quite a bit of pulls with this car. Didn't overheat or anything. Drove fine all night. Didn't have any issues till I decided to drive home. Keep in mind, this is about an hour drive home. This is right around midnight, and the car was driving fine for about a couple miles from my our meeting spot, and I noticed my tack in the car was kind of bouncing. I was like, oh, that don't seem right. And got a couple more miles down the road, it started bucking on me. I had like a real hard miss, and I'm like, okay. Then it quit, and I just kept on going on the highway. Drove for about 10-15 miles, started to act up again, and the last 5 miles, it really started acting up real bad. There was one point he just flat fell on his face, just throwing fire through the exhaust. You can just see it to the side of you. I'm just lining the road up. It just dumps so much fuel out of the exhaust. Then it fired right back up again. Drove for about a mile. Then from there it just quit. So I coasted to the side, as you can see from the picture. That's where she sat. Car didn't want to start back up. So my first guess is TFI. So I got the distributor from LMR. Came with TFI in, right out of the box. TFI was dead. So LMR sent me their TFI. Put it on. Car fired up. Had no issues. Till last night. I guess usually these TFIs die with a lot of heat. But I guess pushing it too hard. I mean, it is a LMR product. TFI, they're known to just fail. I should have known better, but I lucked out, guys. I was on the side of the road for maybe 5 minutes. A guy came behind me and asked if I needed help, and he had one of these spare TFIs at his house, just literally right down the road. Went down to his house, grabbed it, came back within 10 minutes. We slapped this one on, and the car fired right up. So it was just the TFI just took a crap on me. It sucks that it happened, 30 minutes away from home. I was like, oh, I'm going to have to call a tow truck, wait for a tow truck. And keep in mind, this is, it's like almost 30 degrees outside, and the car has no heat or anything. So once we got to put the new TFI in, took about 10-15 minutes, and it fired right up. Gonna have to reset my timing because I had to move the distributor to put the new TFI in, and I just moved it back to where the best I can. You see, I don't know if you can see that. You see I got some markings there from the last time. So just put it there, just get it home, and made it home without TFI. Didn't have any issues. Car ran great with it. So gonna have to pick up a TFI for it. I'm going to get a quality TFI, a Motorcraft or something. I may get on the last motor I had I can't think of the name of it, but I'll post it below. But I didn't have any issues with it. I think I had it on the 0302 for like 2 years with the MSD distributor. But yeah, something simple like that can leave you on the side of the road. And it sucks being right around midnight. And if I had to call a tow truck, I probably would have waited an easy hour, 2 hours for somebody to come get me. But luckily, this guy Ryan, great guy. Appreciate him come help me out. Something like this. So owe him big time. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here, and hopefully the next video will be got some steering wheel parts. We're going to change out the steering wheel. But we definitely need to take care of this TFI issue so we won't have this issue again. So, alright guys, y'all take it easy. Be sure to comment, like, share, all that good old stuff. and I'll see y'all next time.